The best way to make children good is to make them happy. Today's little moments become tomorrow's precious memories. Here's a handmade doll that lasts forever and give it to the next generations. O, daba. Sakit na naman ang ilong ko, te. Dugo na naman. Tara na! Ahem. Welcome back to my channel. Touchdown! United Arab Emirates. Yay! Thank you so much for your love and support. And I hope that we made your cuties happy. And so as the aunties, it's winter here in Egypt. And as you can hear my voice is not that good at the moment. So I'm not gonna talk much. So enjoy watching. So ayun nga, meron na naman tayong dalawang bagets na napasaya. Salamat po sa pag-order at pagtagkilig ng aking mga likhang kamay. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Alhamdulillah. So I have a Facebook page, guys. All I have to do is follow me there. I'm doing a lot of things, guys. All you have to do is to check my Facebook account. And of course, choose whatever you want to order or what's on your mind. I am open for any commissions. Ayan. So all you have to do is leave a message. And yeah, there you have it. And thank you so much for your love and support. I have done showcasing these beautiful dolls and hope to see you again next time on my next video. Much love from me.